Hey everybody at home! I know we're kind of bored and we're looking for something to do. So, what we're going to do is make some cloud dough. Alright? Can you guys say hi to everybody at home?
Hi!
Alright. So, my friend RJ here is going to be making red cloud dough. And my friend Finley is going to be making purple cloud dough. Right? So, the base of cloud dough is cornstarch. You're going to start with 2 cups. Next, you're going to add the lotion or conditioner. RJ is going to be using coconut conditioner. Finley's going to be using baby bedtime lotion.
I don't need that kind.
Do you use that at home?
I don't have like the picture. Well, it's the color. It's purple.
Oh, perfect. All right, and then we have food coloring to spice it up a little bit. We've got purple and red as well. And are you guys ready?
Yep.
Good? All right, cool. We'll get your stuff, okay?
Okay. You feel like clouds.
All right. Okay. RJ. Are you guys ready?
Yep. It looks kind of blackish.
Yes, doesn't it?
But when you put it together, it won't stir it. It looks purple.
It'll be like magic. I don't want yours to look pink. You wanted red, so we're gonna put lots of red, okay? And if you need more, we will add some more. Ooh.
Okay.
All right, grab your popsicle stick.
And get stirring. Looks blackish purple. Yeah, not. I told you it looks kind of pinkish. Cool. I think you added enough red, but getting a lot of purple. Stirring.
Keep going, mix it all in there. Try to dig in that bottom part. Make sure you're getting all of the lotion, even off the bottom.
Yeah, even on the sides.
You're right, the sides. Don't forget those sides.
I did. If they look. I also did the bottom too.
Perfect.
Me too. Mine's kind of looking a little pinkish.
You want some more red? We
Yeah.
can get some.
I'm not. I don't need any more purple. Because purple doesn't. Because mine is a primary color.
You are right, RJ. All right, let's see if that fits in.
That looks like light red. Does this scare you? No. Yeah, it looks kind of good. It looks kind of pink red.
Yeah, let's grab this.
I think I'm gonna be done.
You think you're gonna be done?
That looks really
Keep
good.
mixing that. Yeah, yours looks pretty solid.
Mine probably because I'm not stirring that much.
It's alright. Let's give it a little bit more. Stir that one.
Why did we get mine? Because mine is a primary color, and the thing is white, and white plus red equals pink.
You got it, dude. Giving us a science lesson, huh?
Not to use red for cloud dough.
No, don't use red?
Yeah.
I think it'll look good. All right, next
I'm not
step we're gonna
doing
do, let me see your sticks. I'm gonna put this on your tray. What you're gonna do is you're gonna scrape that into the bowl, okay? So scrape this into the bowl. Here, just dump it. Dump it, but you wanna be able to scrape the sides, okay? I'll pull it if you scrape.
Okay.
Scrape the sides.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold.
Yeah. Ours just looks like pink ice cream. Like I saw that kind of ice cream before, and I had it. My finger!
No, that's fine. You know what? You're going to use your fingers and mix it all in about 2 seconds here, okay?
I don't have to.
Yeah, you're going to do it too. So we're going to push your sleeves up, huh, girlfriend?
Oh, yeah. My sleeves are already pushed up.
Perfect.
Okay. Now are we going to do it? Now are we going to do it?
All right, friends, dig in.
I actually don't want this one. So I don't have to.
Dig in, mix it all up. But don't go fast, because that cornstarch will poof. You a
That
dusty
feels
cloud.
funny.
Feels funny? Like how? How
You
does it
know
feel
what
funny?
I It feels like cold. It feels
Does
like
it smell good just yet?
Is it becoming kind of reddish?
I think it might be.
Probably because I'm not digging that much. I am.
Keep digging in.
Am I doing okay, John?
You guys are doing, both of you are doing
I should have.
great. Keep mixing.
You're not gonna have the same much as you had before because it's gonna go in.
It is.
Try to.
How's it feel to be messy?
Not that good.
Not that good.
Oh yeah, it actually not. When you smush all the things together, it actually feels pretty comfortable, like your hands are in a blanket.
Ooh.
And it feels nice a little bit.
Feels nice a little bit.
It does.
Does it feel wet or dry?
It feels
Dry.
pretty dry.
It's kind
Yeah.
of dry. Yeah, that cornstarch really dries it out, doesn't it?
It feels like dry. Feels like dry cold. It feels like dry.
It feels
Dry,
it feels
liquid.
like liquid.
Like liquid a little bit.
It's really soft.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Mine doesn't smell that
Don't forget
good.
to scrape these sides down. You still got lots of cornstarch over there. Yep. Keep digging in. Keep mixing it.
Got it.
So
Mine's actually
the more you mix it, the more you don't have, right?
Ah, that's okay. It was meant to be. I know it's not that good.
This is doing great. Keep going.
My hands do not feel good anymore.
Not good.
Mine do. Mine do.
All that. Here, how about you scrape your hands off? Use one hand to scrape the other one. Kind of mix that lotion back in there.
And I don't
Sure,
like
yeah.
the smell.
You know, like the smelling we have. The cornstarch isn't what smells good, it's the lotion. I think when we're done mixing it all, and we don't have any more of the white cornstarch, then I think it'll smell better again.
It doesn't. Mine doesn't smell good.
It's starting to get a little doughier. Alright? Doing good, I just keep going.
Yummy.
Keep grabbing.
Keep smooshing.
Keep smushing together.
I like a
Like
lot
smush
of
white to the pink. Smush white to the pink. Smush white to the pink. I was
Oh,
hoping-
that still looks like pink.
Yeah, red's a hard color to work with.
Yeah, at least it looks like light red.
Alright, keep smushing.
which is neon pink. Kind of a pinkish. Well, it still has red dots. Doesn't even look close to red. Me too. Mine smells kind of gross.
Mine too.
Did the cornstarch ruin our smell?
Yeah.
That's really working your fine motor skills, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like
All that squeezing,
squeezing like a dry liquid.
like a dry liquid.
Yeah.
Hardly, like, I can't even like see hardly a lot of white.
Yeah, he's really getting it. You need to grab this side here. Yeah, dig right there. That'll have cornstarch right there. Perfect. Great. Scrape this
Mush
side.
it
You
together.
got it. Keep going. You guys are doing great.
Trying to get off my hands.
It's a nice, fun, messy project.
Are we gonna play with this after we do it?
Course.
Look on the back of your hands. You can see the little scrapes. You can see my little scrapes.
Ah, I got on my arm.
That's okay. We'll clean you up.
Trying to get on the floor.
It's all right. We'll clean that up too. You gotta make a mess sometimes.
Sometimes you have to like dig your nails to get it off.
Yeah.
To get a lot.
I'm trying to get. I mean a lot more food coloring.
A lot more?
Yeah.
I can give you what I have
Do I really have to touch this?
If you want it to be cloud dough, you gotta mix it in.
Sometimes it hurts when I do it on this finger right here.
Yeah, if you have any tiny little cuts from like dry hands, because we've been doing a lot of hand washing lately, huh?
Yeah.
So if you have any little cuts, it might sting a little bit. The
So-
scented lotion part.
Yeah, so
I
don't really wash my hands.
Oh no?
Yeah,
Well, I suppose you have your own home germs. That's all right.
because
Your little.
But we gotta wash our hands a lot at school, don't we?
when after bath, I have to have lotion.
That's right.
Because
Skin.
because you're so full with energy. I just like doing this like it's
Like
Okay, no, I
like
can-
lotion when you wash and lotion when you put on your hand.
Yeah, that's what you're using.
it's actually turning a little red.
Cool.
Turning
Where?
a lot more redder.
Where? Oh yeah, right there. Well, not like on the side.
Yeah, it's like turning red. Doesn't it feel that good?
We're getting there, guys.
Mash it up with your fist too.
You could. Hey, RJ's got a good idea. Why don't you make some fists and start smushing it down in there?
Yeah. Like patting it. Like patting it. Like you're giving a back, like you're giving a smooth, like a hard liquid back, a back, a massage. Push it down. Then like start pushing it down.
I'm getting it off the side.
Yeah, like here we go. That's it. I think I made a lot. Probably a little. No.
Good job. All right, now you gotta dig your fingers down in there too. Scrape up the bottom.
And then smush it in half.
Yeah.
And yeah, after
Oh, I'm feeling some more lotion or conditioner for yours on the bottom. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, we have
Smash it down.
smash it down on the back too. Try to flip it over and like smush it. Because the back also needs one. Need to explode. It's exploding.
Miss Heather, after we do Heather, after we do this, are we gonna put it on the tray?
We are. Do you guys want to dump it on the tray right now?
Yeah.
I think we got it pretty well mixed up.
I don't
Not
think
really
mine
mine.
is.
It's all right. You guys can smash it together. You know how Play-Doh sometimes crumbles apart? You gotta smush it back together? That's what you guys can do right now. Smush it back together.
Oh, we can make a castle with it.
What? That's a fantastic idea.
I don't think I can make a Lego with it.
A Lego?
Miss Heather, can you get mine out?
I'm coming.
Look, I almost think I made a little, like super bunny. Dun 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 dun. Super bunny.
We have a
You're
lot
silly, RJ.
of. Or do you
Alright.
probably have more
Try to
than
smush
we
it
do?
all together like a big ball of dough.
Like this?
Oh yeah, you're pushing it real down.
That's because I have shiny muscles.
Boys are usually stronger than girls. I actually need a little bit more.
Now, these look like stairs. Well, we would have to have help to do a castle.
Maybe.
Because Heather, I almost have it all around my tray. But that's because I'm.
See how I'm smashing it into like a big ball?
Yeah, we can like play with it in the
Yeah,
afternoon.
this is how you're gonna get your dough.
On the table. volleyball in the afternoon. Can we play with the ball?
Absolutely.
Do it. You can like make it into shapes.
Ah!
Yeah, see?
Work it up that
And
dough.
we can
Okay?
play with our own.
Yeah, and you got some pink in there. I stole some from RJ's.
Hey!
That's
All right, keep going.
I like pink.
I don't like pink. Oh my goodness, my brain is twisted.
I'm trying to make a Hershey. I'm trying to make a giant Hershey.
A giant Hershey Kiss? Now you're just making me hungry.
And I'm trying to make a hamburger.
Nice.
Is this
All right, while you guys continue to make your really cool foods and make me hungry, we are going to say goodbye to our friends. Can you get your messy hands up there and wave bye to your friends?
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have fun making your cloud dough.